Ma'am. Principal ma'am.
Yes, Ashish.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All the participants have been added.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, what happened, beta?
Sir, you have to add Arpita also. She is the attendee only.
Wait. Arpita Yadav.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now she is a panelist. Arpita. Arpita is left.
Ma'am wants to say something.
Yes, ma'am. Everyone. Arpita Yadav. Arpita Yadav, is it audible?
Yes, to be added as panelist. Please ask Namita, ma'am.
Yes, Namita ma'am.
अच्छा उस जो हम लोग का जो फ्लैट होगा उसका वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मीटर सब अलग है ना अच्छा हाँ
Yes, ma'am. All candidates are present right now. All the teachers are present. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it can be started.
Okay, ma'am. Rohit sir.
Elephants are the only animals that can't jump. Like fingerprints, everyone's tongue print is different. The only food that does not spoil is honey. You can't kill yourself by holding your breath. You might be prodigy in quant, you may have great commands over linguistics. Yeah, you could have awareness about the historical facts. Everything you know, draw a set of general knowledge, which is the knowledge of every aspect of human life. It is also evident that this knowledge may or may not be related to him or his community. There can be various areas identified as different domain of general knowledge, like arts, discovery, game, politics, culture, film, medicine, history, etc. Hence, it would not be wrong to say that the general knowledge covers all the aspects of human life. This is the reason why general knowledge matters, and that's why we should test for it. So without wasting so much time, let's start our today's quiz. Hello everyone, I am Rohit Vishkarma. Welcome to today's GK and IT Quiz 2020. I would like to welcome the principal, Dr. Mamta Singh, all dignitaries, their parents, teachers, students, and of course, all the viewers of today's quiz competition. Today, we are going to conduct first ever online inter-house quiz competition. So, according to Star, the first team is Shivaji House, second team is Tagore House, third team is Arvindo House, and fourth team is Raman House. So, from the Star, I would like let's meet our team contenders. So, starting from Shivaji House. Shivaji House, please give your introduction here. Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gauri Singh and I am from class 9th B.
And I am Shruti Patel from class 9B.
Okay. So, our second team is our Tagore House. So, Tagore House contenders, please give your introduction here.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Madhvi Singh from class 9th A.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Kartika Suryansh from class 9th B.
Good afternoon to you all. My name is Kamlesh Sadhu from class 10th A.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Idam of class 10th B.
Okay. So, now time for meeting our third team, Arvindo House. So, I would like to call the team members of Arvindo House.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rajvardhan Singh from class 10th A.
Good morning, everyone. I am Arman Sinha from 9th B.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Pooja Gujan, studying in class 10th A.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Tanu Kumari from class 9th A.
Okay, so our fourth team is Raman House. So Raman House participants, please give your introduction here.
Good evening and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bharat Kushanjay and I'm from class 9A.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Abhishek Kumar. I am from class 10th B.
Good morning.
Okay, now it's time to start the first round. Okay, let me tell you that there will be 5 rounds, and the first round is your MCQ round, second round is visual round, third round is buzzer round, fourth round is passing round, and fifth is rapid fire. There are 5 rounds, so each team have to give a tough fight for this round to get a better position. So it's time to start the first round, that is our MCQ round. So before we start, let me clear something that there will be 5 questions from each team and each question will give you 10 marks. So I would like to call the Preeti ma'am for the first round. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Rohit sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Preeti Jha, and I will take your first round, that is MCQ or quiz round. Okay. So in this round, we are having 4 options to give answer. So all the best, all of you. Now I'm going to start from Shivaji House. So the first question is, what is the full form of IMEI? International Mobile Equipment Information, International Mobile Equipment Identity, International Mobile Educational Identity, International Machine Equipment Identity. So the answer is
Ma'am, option 3, International Mobile Educational Identity.
no, it's a wrong answer. Option 2, International Mobile Equipment Identity. Now come to the next house. Question number 2. Which of the following is the world's largest peninsula? India, South Africa, Arabia, both A and B. Answer is?
Both A and B.
No. Answer is Arabia. Next house. Which is the following is not an operating system? Unix, Linux, Windows, Java.
Ma'am, Unix.
Wrong. Answer is Java. Next question. Which of the following pass link the Srinagar to Leh? Mana Pass, Rohtas Pass, Nathula Pass, Jozila Pass. Answer is fourth, Jozila Pass. Answer is Jozila Pass. Now come to the next question. Question number 5. Which of the following is a non-volatile memory? RAM, LSI, VLSI, ROM. Answer is?
Option A, RAM.
No, no beta. Answer is ROM. Next house and next question. The Great Victoria Desert is located in Canada, West Africa, Australia, North America. Next house.
Australia.
Yes, Australia is the right answer. Good. Next question is, who is known as father of artificial intelligence? John McCarthy, Winkoff, Dennis Ritchie, James Gosling.
I'm
Answer
James
is
Gosling.
no, beta. Answer is Winkoff. Next question. Which of the following is a tropical grassland? Answer is taiga, savanna, pampas, prairies. Answer is
Second one.
no. Answer is savanna. Next question. Which operating system is developed by Apple? Linux, Windows, Mac OS, DOS.
DOS.
No, bache. The answer is Mac OS. Next house and next question. The humidity of the air depends upon temperature, location, weather, all of the above.
All of the above.
Very good. Answer is all of the above. Next question. Who invented keyboard? James Gosling, Steve Jobs, Martin Cooper, Christopher Latham Scholle.
I'm third option, Martin Cooper.
No, bache. Option 4, the Christopher Latham Scholle. Next question. The Himalayan mountain system belongs to which of the following? Volcanic mountains, residual mountains, block mountains, fold mountain. Answer is
Fold mountain.
no, bache. Fold mountain. Yes. Yes, beta. Right answer. Fold mountain. Next question. One nibble is equal to how many bits? 4 bits, 8 bits, 12 bits, 16 bits.
8 bits.
No, it's
4
4
bits.
bits. Yes, it's 4 bits. Now, next question. The latitude of a place expresses its angular position relative to the plane of axis of Earth, North Pole, South Pole, equator.
Axis
Answer
of
is
the Earth. Axis of the Earth.
no, bache. The answer is equator. Next question.
Ma'am, I have given equator. It was my chance.
Question number 15. Which among following is commonly used language in Android application? C, PHP, C++, Java.
Ma'am, Java.
Answer is yes. Java is the right answer.
Java.
Yes, bache. Java is the right answer. Now come to the next question. The layer of the earth immediately below the crust is called outer core, inner mantle, outer mantle. Answer is
Outer mantle.
yes. Outer mantle is the right answer. Next question. Which type of software is an operating system? Utility software, system software, application software, firmware software.
System software.
Yes, system software. It's a right answer. Now come to the next question. The largest freshwater lake of Africa area-wise is Lake Victoria, Lake Tanganyika, Lake Malawi, Lake Rudolph.
Ma'am, Lake Victoria.
Yes, Lake Victoria is the right answer. Good. Now, next question. Question number in banking, railways, etc. Which computer are used? Mini computers, microcomputers, mainframes, supercomputers. The answer is
Microcomputers.
no, bache. Answer is mainframe. C option. Third. Now, next question. Theory of economic drains of India during British imperialism was propounded by Jawaharlal Nehru, Dadabhai Naoroji, R.C. Dutt, M.K. Gandhi.
MK
The
Gandhi.
answer is no, bacha. Dadabhai Naoroji. So now, thank you all. Now I'm going to hand over Rohit sir. Thank you, children.
Okay, what a fantastic performance given by all the 4 team members: Shivaji House, Tagore House, Arbindo House, and Raman House. So the fight is very tough, and in order to get the better position, you have to work hard. Okay, so now let's have a look over the score after the end of the first round. Shivaji House scored 20. Our Tagore House scored 20. Arbindo House scored 20. And Raman House also scored 20 marks. So it's a great fight between all the teams. So let's have what happened in the next round. So it's time to begin for the second round. And second round is visual round. So I would like to call the Nagesh sir for this round. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Rohit sir. Thank you, Rohit sir. Myself, Nagesh Gupta, comes over here for visual rounds. Some images are displayed over the screen, and you have to give the appropriate answer. Okay. So that first question from the Shivaji House. From Shivaji House, Shruti Patel identify the car brand, beta. Okay, sir. Name the particular car brand. Identify the car brand, beta. Shruti. Okay, the right answer is beta.
Sir, Audi.
No, that answer is Mercedes-Benz. Okay, next question from Tagore House, Kartikeya Suryans.
Yes, sir.
Identify the symbol, beta.
This one. Sir, this is Chevrolet.
Correct answer given. Okay, next question from Arvindo. Arman, identify the car brand.
Sir, this is Audi.
Okay, correct answer given. Very good. Next question from Raman House. Bharat Rath, identify the car brand, beta. Identify the car brand.
So the Jaguar.
Yes, correct answer given, beta. Very good. Okay, now we proceed for the next visual round. Identify the famous Indian freedom fighters. Okay, so the first question from Shruti Patel from Shivaji House, beta. Identify the famous persons. Shruti. Shruti Patel, beta, identify the person belongs from the Indian Revolution. Okay, so the correct answer is Pandit Chandrasekhar Azad. Okay, so the next question for Tagore House. Kartikeya Suryans, identify the famous person.
Sir, is he Lal Bahadur Shastri?
Wrong answer given, beta. That's a Lala Lajpat Rai. Okay, third question. Third question from Arman. Identify the person.
Sir, Bhagat Singh.
Correct answer given. Next question from Raman House. Bharat, identify the person, beta.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Correct answer given, beta. Thank you. Next round is started. Identify the famous personality of 2020. Okay. So the first question from Shivaji House. Shruti Patel. Shruti Patel. Identify the person, beta. Shruti. Identify. Okay, beta. He's our education minister, Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Okay. Second question from Kartikeya Suryans. Identify the famous personality.
Sir, he is Irfan Khan.
Irfan. He was Irfan Khan. Correct answer given. Second question. Next question from Arbindo. Identify the person. Arman. Tedros Adhanom. Okay. Head of WHO. Okay. Next question. Next question from Bharat Rath. Identify the person. Bharat.
Sir, I don't know.
Okay, he is a Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Okay.
Okay.
Next round. For the famous person related to the sector of IT. Okay. The first question from Shivaji House. Shruti Patel. Identify the person, beta. Okay, the correct answer is N. Narayan Murthy, the CEO of Infosys. Okay, second question from Tagore House. Identify the person. Kartikeya Suryans.
Sir, he is Steve Jobs.
Correct answer. He's Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple Industries. Okay. Next question from Arbindo. Identify the person. Arman. Okay, beta. So that is he's the Sundaram Pichai. Sundaram Pichai and the CEO of Google Industries. Okay. Okay. Last question. Next question from Raman House. Bharat. Identify the person.
Sir, Jeff Bezos.
No, beta. The correct answer is
Sir, Jeff
Satya Nadella.
Bezos.
Okay. No, beta. Sir, that is a Satya Nadella. Okay. And the CEO of Microsoft Industries. Okay. Okay. Next round. Now we proceed for the next round. That's for a famous personality related to the sports. Okay. First question from Shivaji House. Identify the person. Shruti. Identify the person. Okay, beta. He's a famous footballer of India, Baicheng Bhutia. Okay. Next question from Tagore House. Kartikeya, please reply.
Yes. Sir, no, sir, I don't know.
Beta, he is famous wrestler of India, namely Sushil Kumar, won 2 medal for Olympic for India. Okay. Next question from Arbindo. Identify the person. Arman. Identify the person. Okay, the correct answer is Mr. Abhinav Bindra, and a famous shooter and got gold medal for Olympics in India, for India. Okay, last question from Raman House. Identify the famous
Mithali
person.
Raj. She is
Correct
Mithali
answer.
Raj.
Very good, beta. Correct answer given. Also the former cricket captain of India. Okay, thank you, beta. Thank you, Rohit sir. Please, I pass to the Rohit sir for the marks analysis of this round.
What a fantastic display of quizzing. So let's have a look over the score at the end of the second round. Shivaji House scored no marks. Tagore House scored 30 marks. Arvindo House scored 20 and Raman House scored 30. Okay, so time to start our third round, that is our buzzer round. Okay, so before we start, let me clear something that in the buzzer round, there will be 15 questions and each question is of 10 marks. Okay, so you have to try to attempt a lot of questions that you can. So for the buzzer round, I would like to call the Rashmi ma'am. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Rohit sir. And good afternoon, everyone. The first question for buzzer round is, first session of Lok Sabha was held in which year? First session of Lok Sabha was held in which year? Okay, the correct answer is in 1952. The next question, what is full form of SMPS?
Yeah.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Okay, the first question for you. First session of Lok Sabha was held
ma'am, SMPS is full form switch mode.
Urja Gunjan. Hello, am I audible to you? What is full form of SMPS? Okay, the next question. Who can dismiss the governor from office?
Ma'am, President.
Yes, the correct answer. Next question. Okay. The next question is MPG is a file extension of which type of files? MPG is a file extension of which type of files?
Ma'am,
Enable
Hello, ma'am.
it, beta.
Hello, ma'am.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, video
Yes.
file.
Ma'am, video.
Okay, is the correct answer? Is the correct answer? Next question. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, Sukumar Sen.
Okay, is the right answer. Tagore House, Iram, very well done. Okay, next question. What is the name of first supercomputer of India? What is
Ma'am,
the name of the supercomputer of India? Yes.
ma'am, Parag.
No is the wrong answer. Right answer will be Param 8000. The next question. At which place East India Company established its first presidency bank? At which place East India Company established its first presidency bank?
Ma'am,
The right answer is yes.
ma'am, Calcutta.
Yes. Yes, Raman House. Good. It's Kolkata. The next question. What is Linux? What is Linux?
Ma'am, it is an operating system.
Okay. Very good, Arpita. Sorry, Iram. The next is which state has recently banned all types of online lottery scheme in the states? Which state has recently banned all types of online lottery scheme in the state? Okay, the right answer is yes, the right answer is Punjab. The next question for you. Who was the father of internet?
Ma'am, wind
Ma'am,
chirp.
ma'am, windsurf.
Yes, there are two candidates, Krishna Kumar and Iram. Next, the Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay Memorial Center is built in which Indian city? Yes, the right question answer is
Ma'am,
yes, Iram.
ma'am, Varanasi.
Yes, Iram, you are right. Right answer is Varanasi. The next question, who invented Java?
Ma'am, ma'am, James Gosling. Ma'am,
Yes, Iram. Also Tagore House, James and Mazdu and Indian scheme is created with which state? The right answer is yes, Haryana. No one has given the answer. Which computer engineer got Nobel Prize for Literature in 2003? Again, I repeat the question. Which computer engineer got Nobel Prize for Literature in 2003?
Ma'am, J.M. Querji. Ma'am,
Okay, is the right answer. Who has created the logo of Aadhaar card? Next question. Who has created the logo of? It is the last question. Who has created the logo of Aadhaar card? Yes, sir. Okay, no one has given the answer. The right answer will be Atul Sudhakar Rao Pandey. Okay, thank you all. I'm going to hand over the mic to Rohit sir. Thank you, Rohit sir.
Okay, so it's time to have a look over the score after the end of the third round. Let's see what are the scores. Shivaji House scored 10 marks, Tagore House got 60 marks, and Arvindo House got no marks, and Raman House scored 20 marks in the third round. So it's time to begin with our fourth round, and the fourth round is passing round. So I would like to call the Priyanka ma'am for the passing round. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. So, myself Priyanka Shrivastava, and I will take you this round. Before going to start passing round, let me clear the rules of this round. In this round, there are 5 questions for each house, and for the correct answer, each house will get plus 10 marks. And if you don't know answer, then question will pass one by one to next house. And for correct question, for correct answer, next house will get plus 5 marks. Okay, so I'm going to start from Shivaji House. For Shivaji House, first question is, what is the chemical formula of potash alum? What is the chemical formula of potash alum? This is for Shivaji House.
KNH4.
No, this is the wrong answer. Answer is no. Question will pass to the next house, Tagore House. It passes to Tagore House. Okay, time's up. Question will pass to Arvindo House. Arvindo House part. Yes. Speak again.
K2SO4.
No. Question will pass to finally Raman House. Participants of Raman House.
ma'am,
Ma'am, KH2SO4.
No, this is the wrong answer. Answer is K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 thrice dot 24H2O. This is the formula of potash alum. Second question for Shivaji House. World Day for Water is observed on which date? I am repeating the question. World Day for Water is observed on which date?
Pass.
Question is passed to Tagore House.
Pass.
Okay, Arvindo House participants, on which day World Day for Water celebrated?
22 April.
Correct answer. Correct answer, Arvindo House. Okay, you will get plus 5 marks. Next question for Shivaji House. Who has written the exam warriors? Who has written the exam warriors? Shivaji House participants, your time's up. Question goes to Tagore House. It is a very famous book. Okay, time's up. Question goes to Arvindo House.
Ma'am, Narendra Modi.
Yes, correct answer. This is a book written by PM Narendra Damodar Das Modi. It is a very inspiring book for youth and it is published in 2019. Okay, in January 2019. Next question for Shivaji House. Which key on the keyboard can be used to view slideshow?
F5.
Yes, correct answer. Next question. What is the full form of MRP?
Market relentlessly
No,
market
wrong
relentlessly
answer.
price.
No, wrong answer. Question passes to Tagore House. Time's up. Question goes to Arvindo House.
Mark retail price.
No, something is wrong. Something is wrong. Question moves to Raman House.
Maximum retail price.
Correct answer, Raman
Maximum
House.
retail price.
Correct answer, Raman House. You will get plus 5 marks. Okay, it's time for Tagore House. Tagore House. First question is, children under the age of 5 years can hear up to how much frequency? I am repeating the question. Yes.
20 to 20,000 hertz.
Again.
20 to 20,000 hertz.
No. Wrong answer. Question goes to Tagore Arvindo House.
10,000.
No. Wrong answer. Question goes to Raman House.
20,000 hertz.
No. Question passes to Shivaji House.
Ma'am, 23,000.
No. Wrong answer. Answer is 25 kilohertz. Okay. Next question for Tagore House. What is the SI unit of force? What is the SI unit of force? Tagore House. This question for you. What is the SI unit of force? This is a very easy question. Question goes to next house, Arvindo House.
Newton.
Yes, correct answer. Plus 5 you will get. Okay, next question for Tagore House.
Ma'am, I have given
Yes.
answer.
But I have not listened. Correct answer given by the Arvindo House. Plus 5. Okay, next question. Name the longest dam of India. Name the longest dam of India. Tagore House.
Ma'am, Bhakra Dam.
No, this is wrong answer. Question passes to Arvindo House.
Ma'am,
Arvindo?
don't know.
Okay. Question passes to Raman House.
Ma'am, Hirakund.
Yes, correct answer.
Hirakund.
Hirakud Dam is the longest dam of India and it is built across the Mahanadi River. Its length about 15 kilometers. It is situated in Odisha. Okay. Next question is, which gas is most popular as laughing gas? Question for Tagore House. Fourth question, which gas is most popular as laughing gas?
Nitrogen gas.
Yes, speak again.
Hydrogen gas.
No, wrong answer. Question moves to Arvindo House. Participants of Arvindo House. Okay, time's up. Question goes to Raman House.
Ma'am, nitric oxide and O2.
No. This is wrong answer. Question finally passed to Shivaji House.
Nitrogen.
Yes, your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, nitrogen.
No, this is wrong answer. Answer is nitrous oxide. It is also known as dinitrogen oxide and formula is N2O. Last question for Tagore House. What is the limit of characters for a tweet on Twitter? What is the limit of characters for a tweet on Twitter? Yes.
I'm 120.
No. Wrong answer. Question passes to Arvindo House.
Unlimited.
No. Goes to Raman House.
I'm 90.
No. Wrong answer. Question finally passed to Shivaji House.
Ma'am,
How many
500.
characters? No. Wrong answer. Answer is 140. Okay. It's time for Arvindo House. Arvindo House. First question. Acceleration is which type of quantity? Acceleration is which type of quantity?
Scalar.
Yes?
Scalar.
No. This is wrong answer. Question passed to Raman House.
Ma'am, vector quantity.
Yes, correct answer.
Vector
You will get
quantity.
+5. Yes, correct answer. Second question for Arvindo House. The sensitive index of National Stock Exchange of India is popularly known as. I'm repeating the question. Listen carefully. The sensitive index of National Stock Exchange of India is popularly known as. Okay, your time's up. Question goes to Raman House. Raman
Ma'am,
House.
Bombay Stock Exchange.
No, this is wrong answer. Question passes to Shivaji House. Shivaji participants. I'm repeating the question. The sense, yes?
Don't know, ma'am.
Okay. Finally, question goes to Tagore House. Yes? Okay. Answer is Nifty. Okay. Third question for Arvindo House. Which state government has recently launched a scheme called Ghar Ghar Rasan?
UP.
No. Which state government has recently launched a scheme called Ghar Ghar Rasan? This question for Raman House. Question passed to Raman House.
Ma'am, Madhya Pradesh.
No. Question passed to Shivaji House.
Maharashtra.
No. Finally, question passed to Tagore House.
Gujarat.
No. Answer is Delhi. Okay. Fourth question for Arvindo House. Recently, famous personality Saroj Khan has passed away. Was she?
Musician.
No. Wrong answer. Question passed to Raman House.
Actor, actress.
No. Saroj Khan is not actress. Okay. Question passes to Shivaji House.
Pass.
Okay. For Tagore House, question is, recently famous personality Saroj Khan has passed away. Was she? Who was the Saroj Khan? Okay, time's up. Answer is Indian dance choreographer. Okay, last question for Arvindo House. Which supercomputer is developed by the Indian scientist? Which supercomputer has developed by the Indian scientist?
I don't know.
Okay, question passed to next house, Raman House.
Param.
Yes, correct answer. Param is the first supercomputer which was developed by the Indian scientists, and it has a capacity to perform 1 billion calculation per second. Okay, it's time for Raman House. Raman House, first question is, who appoints the Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Who appoints the Speaker of the Lok Sabha?
Ma'am, President.
No. Wrong answer. Question passes to Shivaji House.
Prime Minister.
No. Passes to Tagore House. Time's up. It moves to next house, means Arvindo House. Your voice is not clear. Speak again.
Let me repeat the question.
Who appoints the Speaker of the Lok Sabha?
PM.
No. Answer is Leader of Opposition. Second question for Raman House. Where is the Vijay Stamp situated? Where is the Vijay Stamp situated? Vijay Stamp is also known as Victory Tower. Where is?
Kolkata.
Yes?
Kolkata.
No. Question moves to next house, Shivaji House.
Delhi.
No. Question passes to Tagore House.
Surat.
No. Finally, it goes to Arvindo House. Your time's up. Answer is Chittorgarh. It is constructed by King of Mewar, Rana Kumbha. Okay, next question. Name the smallest country in the world. This question for Raman House.
Vatican City. Vatican
Yes,
City.
correct answer. Vatican City. It is situated in Rome, which is the smallest state in the Europe. Okay. Next question for Raman House. When is International Yoga Day celebrated?
22 June.
No, wrong
20.
answer. No, not 22. Question passes to Shivaji House.
21st June.
Yes, correct answer. 21st June. Last but not least, it is for Raman House. Which key is used to delete programs or file permanently? Which key is used to delete programs or file permanently? Your time's up. Question passes to Shivaji House.
No, shift plus delete.
Yes, correct answer, shift plus delete. So this round has completed. This round has completed and over to Rohit sir.
Thank you, ma'am. What a fantastic performance given by all the team contenders. So let's have a look over the score after the end of the fourth round, that is passing round. Okay, so let's move to the fifth round, that is our rapid fire round. So before we switch to the rapid fire round, I would like to describe something that each team will be given a 1 minute and you have to try to attempt a lot of questions so that you can get a great fight to other team members. Okay, so 1 minute, you have to try as lot of questions that you can. Suppose you are having a problem, then you can ask for the next question. Don't waste your time. All the best for all the team members. So I would like to call the Mangla sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Rohit sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Now we will start the rapid fire round. Now the question for Shivaji House. Timer. Wait. The question for Shivaji House. Yes. Coffee cultivation was first introduced in which place of India?
Karnataka.
What will be the shortcut key in Windows to perform the cut operation?
Control plus C. Control
What
plus
is the
X,
maximum?
sir. Control plus X.
What is the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha?
Sir, 250 plus 2.
Which was the world's first successful electronic computer?
Next.
Who was the first Governor General of India?
Sir, first Governor.
Who was the first Governor General of India?
Next.
Who invented compact disc?
Sir, next.
Who managed the foreign exchange control in India? Time's up. Okay, now next for the Tagore House. Okay. Start. Who was the king? Who was the king of France at the time of French Revolution?
Sir, Louis 16.
Who is known as the human computer of India?
Sir, next.
Who gave the idea of utopia?
Sir, sorry.
Who gave the idea of utopia?
Sir, sorry. Next.
Which is the first Indian cinema released through internet?
Sir, next.
Who formed Young Italy's Secret Society?
Sir, next.
What is the extension of PDF?
PDF. Sir, extension. Sir, personal document file.
Who invented printing press?
John Gutenberg.
What is the extended form of RDBMS?
The real-time database management system.
Who invented spinning Zenny?
So next.
Time's over. Time's over, beta. Next for Arvindo House. Start. Who wrote the books Ghulam Giri?
What, sir?
Who wrote the book Ghulam Giri?
So next.
Who developed COBOL?
What, sir?
Who developed COBOL language?
Next.
Which is the oldest Japanese book?
Next.
When was the first smartphone launched?
Japan.
Who wrote 95 Theses?
Next.
Who developed first portable computer?
Charles Babbage. Next.
Where is the headquarters of European Union?
Next.
Whose motto is Wisdom of Mass Principle?
Next.
Which is the official language of Sri Lanka? Time is up. Time over, beta. Now the time of Raman House. Start. Who was the founder of Indian National Congress? What is the Blue Brain project? What is the another name of slash and burn agriculture?
Sir, shifting agriculture.
What is the cyber bullying?
Skip.
Who invented Bhudan movement? Sorry, who
Skip.
initiated Bhudan movement?
Skip.
In which year Microsoft Office was launched?
Next.
Which is the largest tea producers state of India?
Assam.
Where was the first computer installed in India?
Skip.
Time's over. Okay, time's over. Now I would like to call Rohit sir.
What a great performance given by all the four houses: Shivaji House, Tagore House, Arvindo House, and Raman House. There was a great fight between all the teams, but you all know that the first is always first. So now it's time for the result declaration, and for the final declarations, I would like to request to the principal ma'am, and she will continue the report for the today's GK and ITU case 2020. There was a great fight and lot of enthusiasm between the viewers and students for the first position. So let's have a call for the principal ma'am. Principal ma'am, over to you.
Thank you, Rohit. I'm still waiting for the result. I think Pawan sir is bringing it to me. So I think it may take 1 or 2 minutes. Before that, I must appreciate the effort of the children. You know, because every year we used to conduct this quiz when the children had a group. 4 students used to represent their house. And there were lots of scope when these students were talking to each other, discussing with each other, and then they were comfortable in giving the answer. This time, actually, they were restricted. The one round was allotted, so far as I understand, one round was allotted to one child, and naturally it becomes difficult. Therefore, I appreciate the effort of the children as well as the teachers who conducted today's this GK quiz and GK and IT quiz online. So even though few children who could not give a reply, no need of getting disheartened. Your effort was commendable, and I appreciate it. Because many of you are sitting at far off places, and from there you don't have much interaction with your friends. You could not get the things ready, but still, I would advise all of you that even if you are sitting at your place, wherever you may be, but online all the materials are available to you, right? So you should not only stick to the syllabus, but you should be, because especially in the image round, I found that many of the famous personality were there, and you should have recognized them. So somehow I am finding that you may be pressurized with your course books and whatever it may be, but you should always read the newspaper, because nowadays online newspapers are also available, and you should always in touch with Google to get more about the current affairs, what is going on. So it is my just suggestion that don't only stick with your syllabus, you should try to get yourself acquainted with some other, whatever activities are going on surrounding yourself. So it was good effort, I must say. So now the result has been brought to me. So, oh, it is a close, of course it is a close fight, but okay, I would start with 4th place. So Arvindo House got 4th place with 55 marks. Shivaji House got 3rd place with 70 marks. Raman House got 2nd position with 120 marks. And today's winner are the participants of Tagore House with 150 marks. Congratulations, all of you children. Thank you. Thank you so much.